First off, sincerely, R.I.P. Rest in peace, Charlie Watts. All right, so we got... All right, does that sound right? Yes, it does. Is it right? Yes, it is. Can it get closer to the actual sound? It absolutely can, and I'm going to show you how right now. Well, first off, I have an effect called a Slapback Echo on. This is what it sounds like without the effect. This is what it sounds like with the effect. Now, the secret is an open G tuning. So if you want to get the correct sound or 100% sound, what you want to do is tune your A string down to your G string. And then you're going to bar across all 5 strings. Now I'm not playing the high E string and I'm not playing the low E string. I'm just playing the A string, D string, G string, and B string. Now, since I tuned down a whole step, or tuned the A string down a whole step, all the other strings are tuned normally, standard tuning. You could tune your E down to D, and you could tune your high E down to D, and that way when you strum an open chord, or open with no fingers, no hands, you're going to get the sound of a G chord. But what the Stones do, or if you don't got time, if you're playing live and you're going to do a Rolling Stones song, just tune the A string down and then mute the low E string and mute the high E string. So what is going to happen with me barring right here at the 12th fret, this note is actually sounding this note a whole step down, a G. So it gives it that timbre or that quality that you're not going to get unless you tune to open G. And here's the difference in sound.